up, motherfuckers? Welcome to Cooking with Owen. This episode, we're going to dedicate to my friend Carlo Brancatisano. We're going to be doing Italian today. We have our ingredients right here behind us. No sneak peeks. Let's get into it. I should probably tell you what we're making. We're making authentic Italian pasta, and I learnt this authentic recipe from ancient history. Ancient history, mate. Might have been forgotten for a reason. Who fucking knows? We're gonna bring it up from the dead. Again. Then next, you're gonna start with the onions, right? You just dice that shit fine, Italian style.
M90s.
Here we got our pasta. So let's go ahead, rip that open. Pasta, and it's practically the same thing. Also going to throw some eggs in there to add to the authentic Italian flavour. I know a lot of people like to use eggs in their pasta dishes, so that's what we're going to do. Got our pots and pans going, a little bit of olive oil. This is for the eggs, this is for your pasta. Go ahead and throw your shit. Get in there. Get this in there as well. Now this is going to smell really, really good, so make sure chicks don't come running when you're not going to have any time to cook. The eggs are really important. You want to try to keep them whole, but also you don't want them to stick to the pan. So if we can fucking get off, fuck. It's all good if one of them breaks. Smush that one up, right? It doesn't fucking matter, it'll go in your fried mix anyway.
I welcomed it. It seemed fitting.
Here's when the magic's gonna happen, right? Just remember that 2-minute pasta that we made earlier. Off over here. Chuck this back on here. We'll deal with this. Still magic happen. Oh, another one. Don't worry about it, right? It all goes in the same mix anyway. Go ahead, throw in all this shit, and you'll end up throwing that in, and throwing the tomatoes in. Here we go with the noodles. Pasta. Hi guys, so we've got everything cooking here. Try to remember, this is a really good meal if you like want to stay single for longer. This live like this is nice and cheap to make. Carrots are super duper cheap. You can grow your own tomatoes. Chicken's poop eggs. 2-minute noodles, you can whip that up in 2 minutes. I'm waiting for it. I don't fucking know. Let this simmer down a bit, dry out. As the Italians would do. Bit of this. Spaghetti. And then we'll dig into it. I'll tell you how it is.
You have been well trained, my young apprentice. They will be no match for you.
Alright, here we have it. Not gonna lie, my phone died and I'm a little bit peckish and I've had a bite and I've tried it already. Now let me tell you, Italian grandmothers everywhere would be rolling in their grave, laughing and happy about how good this is, because I'm sure it's what reminded them of their grandmothers. There we have it. It's a shame I overcooked the eggs, because I could have split the yolk and spread that around a bit, but he's born. It's good. I'll give it 2.5 out of 3. Have fun. I'll see you next time. Love you, Carlo. As you can see, there's plenty to go around, so we're going to put some in an extra container for my friend Carlo here, and he can actually have some. That's fucking heaps. I won't even eat all that. Yeah, he'll love that. He'll share that with all his family.